Hi, friends. Welcome back. So, since our current unit is about light and sound, I thought we could read a book together called All About Sound. The title is All About Sound. Okay, first page. Hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I hope so, friends. Next page. Your voice is a sound. A ringing telephone, ring, ring, is a sound too. Music is sound. La, 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 la. Singing, la, 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 la. Talking, hello. And laughing, ha, 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 are also sounds. Hit a drum, bam, bam. And what do you hear? A sound. A drum makes a booming sound, boom, boom. Strum a guitar, and you will hear a different sound. Ooh, who has a guitar at home? Anybody's parents, caregivers have a guitar at home? Strum, strum. All right. Next page. Now strum a guitar again. What do you see? Look closely. What do we look with? We look with our eyes. The strings move back and forth very quickly. This movement is called a vibration. See how my hand's moving back and forth very fast? That's a vibration. Vibrations make sounds. You can see some vibrations. Place a ruler on the edge of a table. So friends, if you have a ruler, you can place it on the edge of the table and hold it like. So you can place a ruler on the edge of a table. Let's turn the page and see what we do next. You hold on to one end of the ruler that's flat on the table, and then you'll pull down on the other end of the ruler and let it go. The ruler vibrates, and the ruler makes a sound. So if you do this at home, you'll be able to see it move very quickly, and you'll also be able to hear it with your ears. You can feel with our hands maybe or our skin some vibrations. When you speak with your mouth, your throat vibrates. Everybody touch your throat and feel the vibrations when you speak. You can feel it vibrating when you speak. Put your hand on your throat and sing. La 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 la. Do you feel the vibrations? You can feel other sound vibrations too. Put your hand on a radio, you can feel it vibrate. Turn off the radio and the vibrations stop. Sound can travel. That means sound moves. You can hear someone shout across the room. The sound travels to your ear. Inside your ear, very small bones vibrate. These vibrations send messages to your brain. Your brain tells you what to hear. Sound can travel through some objects. It can travel through a wooden door. Like that. Sound can travel through wood. Sound can travel through water. Dolphins and whales talk underwater. You can make sounds too. Hit a pot with a spoon. Or not. It's a lot of time that our caregivers have with us right now. Or blow into a whistle, or clap your hands. That's a good one. We can clap. I know several of my friends who like to clap. So let's clap together, friends. Guess what? You've made a band. What other sounds can you make? All right, friends. I just heard a sound. I heard Panda barking outside. She's ready to come in. Listen with your caregivers and parents and think about the sounds that you can hear around you. All right, guys. Thank you so much for listening. I love you so much and I miss you. Bye-bye.